First of all, we can use the rotate rectangle and click from this origin and drag to the another side around 9 meter and enter. Then we can move it to the behind around 20 meter. Okay, then we can click this surface and push it up around 400 millimeter. Enter. Then we can triple click, make group. Okay, now we can select a move, tap control and move it up around 5 meter. Enter. Okay, then now we can make the wall with using rectangle and place to the position and offset it inside 150 millimeter. Then we can click erase and push it up like this and right click and make group. Okay, now we can make a rectangle again, or we can modify about the slab with using a rectangle and drag to the another side like this. Then we can select move, tap control, click from this corner until this corner. Okay, and then after that we can use the another element. We can use the line and draw the line by following the perimeter. Okay, then offset it inside. Sorry, we can offset it inside 150 millimeter. Okay, then you can erase the center plane and push it up. Okay, triple click, make group. Okay, now we can draw the several openings, window opening in here and also in this position. Okay, we can make it by random distance over there and erase some unnecessary line or additional line over there. Okay, then we can make the openings in here, but before we can push it down first around 50 millimeter. Okay, then we can make the openings in here and push it to the behind. Can click from the midpoint until this midpoint. Okay, we can triple click, make group. Now we can click from this center until this center in the position. Triple click and make group, and click from this center until this center, and also make group. Okay, and after that we can draw the another roofing. Okay, we can draw the roofing elements in here. Make group, click the surface, Ctrl C and paste in place, offset it outside like this. We can push it up, triple click and make group. Okay, we can make the wall in here like this and make group. Okay, right now we can make the another variation. Okay, and we can make the another variation in here. Okay, we can click the wood materials, and then we can click the glazing materials over there. Okay, right now we can draw the rectangle in here and place it to the position and make adjustable, and we can adjust about the rectangle just like this. And just assign the grazing in here. Okay, and put the tree on the grazing. Okay, maybe we can erase some unnecessary. Okay, and just make the stepping little simple and little stepping in here, and the position. Okay, and then we can make the another elements over there. Okay, so we can push it up until the position. Okay, then we can put some materials over there. Okay, Then we can assign about the color of this house itself, and don't forget to assign about the roofing color with using a black color. Okay, and just put the car in here. Okay. And this is the pavement. This is about the pavement. Okay, and so maybe we can add more elements, facade element in here. And also make the another facade element in here. Okay, and we can also add more elements in this component. By using these materials, and put the materials in here, and just until perfect. And also this one, we can just adjust this one until perfect, and this one. Okay, just like this. Okay, so we can make it more realistic, and just put the elements like this, and drop the shadow in here, and maybe we can change with the blue style like this. Okay, and thanks for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.